Hey there, welcome back to Explainer. Today, we're diving deep into a concept that shapes the very foundation of international relations: global solidarity. It's more than just a buzzword, it's a force that brings nations together to tackle shared challenges. So, let's explore the world of global solidarity. At its core, global solidarity is about unity among nations, transcending borders to address global challenges collectively. Why does it matter? Well, think of it as the glue that holds our interconnected world together. Now, let's unpack this idea with some real-world examples. In the wake of World War II's widespread devastation, the concept of global solidarity emerged as a response to the urgent need for international collaboration. Leaders, cognizant of the imperative to avert future catastrophes, established the United Nations in 1945, a symbol of hope and a testament to the collective commitment to fostering unity and preventing global crises through diplomatic means. A compelling illustration of global solidarity is evident in the United Nations peacekeeping missions, exemplified by their long-standing efforts in Cyprus. Since 1964, UN peacekeepers have diligently worked to foster peace between Greek Cypriots and Turkish Cypriots, embodying the collaborative determination of nations to proactively prevent conflicts and promote stability in regions facing historical tensions. These missions underscore the shared responsibility of the international community in upholding peace and mitigating potential conflicts through collective action. Now, let's focus on the relationship between global solidarity and developing countries. Developing nations face unique challenges on their journey to economic stability and improved living standards. Global solidarity becomes a lifeline for them, and the UN plays a pivotal role in offering support. UNICEF's commitment to fostering global solidarity is evident in its initiatives to advance education in developing countries, exemplified by programs such as Education for All. The United Nations, through these endeavors, seeks to guarantee access to quality education for every child. This isn't merely an act of charity, it represents a strategic investment in the future, underlining the shared determination of nations to empower the next generation and build a more equitable and prosperous world through education. The United Nations channels the spirit of global solidarity into diverse initiatives, epitomized by the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Encompassing objectives like poverty eradication and environmental sustainability, the SDGs exemplify a collective dedication to crafting a more inclusive and sustainable world. These goals symbolize the unified resolve of nations to address pressing global challenges and create lasting positive impact across diverse realms of human development. The global response to climate change is a vivid demonstration of global solidarity, epitomized by the Paris Agreement. In the face of a planetary challenge, nations worldwide united to combat climate change collectively. Through this landmark agreement, countries established targets and pledged concerted efforts, showcasing a shared commitment to safeguarding the planet for the well-being of future generations. This international collaboration emphasizes the interconnected responsibility of nations to address the urgent and complex issue of climate change through cooperative action. Of course, navigating global solidarity isn't a walk in the park. Differences in cultures, political ideologies, and economic interests can pose challenges. However, the UN addresses these hurdles by fostering dialogue, respecting diversity, and finding common ground. Examining the UN's response to global health crises, such as the Ebola outbreak and the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, underscores the embodiment of global solidarity. Nations rallied together, sharing resources, expertise, and vaccines to ensure an equitable and comprehensive response. This collective effort highlights the interconnectedness of global health, emphasizing the imperative of unity in addressing and mitigating pandemics for the well-being of humanity. Looking ahead, the significance of global solidarity intensifies amid challenges like emerging diseases, economic uncertainties, and technological disruptions. It ceases to be merely an option. It becomes a necessity for nations to stand together. The UN, recognizing this imperative, continually refines its strategies to adeptly confront these dynamic challenges, ensuring a collaborative and resilient global response to the complex issues that lie ahead. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on global solidarity? Have you seen instances of nations coming together to address a common challenge in your own life? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Let's make this a conversation. As we conclude our exploration of global solidarity, remember to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing for additional insightful content, and activating the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for being with us here at Explainer, where we unravel the intricacies of our world. Until our next journey, keep your curiosity alive.